In a series of intensive search operations and area domination exercises, security forces in Manipur successfully recover a substantial cache of weapons and ammunition from vulnerable hill and valley districts. The operations, conducted in the fringe areas of Thamnapat Hills and Pangandabi Chingka in Kakching District, led to the discovery of various military-grade items. The recovered items include two 81mm mortars with one cover, one HE 51mm mortar with cover, two 51mm smoke sail, three HE 36 grenades, one Baofeng handset, two helmets, four BPVs, three camouflage paints, two camouflage shirts, one camouflage t-shirt, one smoke grenade, four live rounds. Further operation in Mongvung village, Jiribam district yielded additional significant findings. The security forces recover one country-made single barrel gun, one 12-bore single barrel gun, 188 assorted live ammunitions, two magazines, one wooden bat, one locally made explosive bomb, 7 IED fuses, two walkie-talkie Baofeng handsets, 5 walkie-talkie handset charges, 8 mobile handsets, 5 mobile handset charges, 3 mobile handset batteries, 3 BP jackets, 1 improvised BP plate, 1 camouflage bag, 1 cartridge bale, 1 pair of jungle shoes, 1 pair of slippers and 1 sling bag.